Application of Pythagorean property. Calculate the length of each segment. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us see how to find length of a segment. We are given three different segments here. I'll find length of one of these segments and the other two are for you to practice. So let me find length of segment EF. So I'm trying to find length of segment EF. Let us see how to find it. So we know point E is right here. X value is 2, Y is 1. And for F, it is X value is 5 and Y is 3, right? So what we can do is, we can form a right triangle. Do you see how? So we'll draw lines which are parallel to X and Y axis. Like this. Once we draw lines like this, we have a right triangle. Right? Now in this right triangle, you can find the length of the base and length of the height. Right? That should help you to find length of the hypotenuse. Correct? Now here the length of the base is from 2 to 5. That is 3 units. Right? So this is 3 units from 2 to 5. And the height is 1 and 1, 2. Height is 2. Correct? Now this is a right triangle with base of 3 units and height of 2 units. So therefore EF should be equal to how much? We know Pythagorean property is that EF square is equal to base square. Let me say that this point is G, right? So basically it is EG square plus FG square, right? And we know EG from this figure is 3 units. So it is 3 square plus FG is 2 units, 2 square, right? That gives us 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. That is EF square. What is the length of the segment EF? It is square root of 9 plus 4, right? 9 plus 4 is 13. So it is square root of 13. So that is how we can find the length. So let's use calculator to find square root of 13. 3.6056. 3.6056. And let us round it to the nearest 10. So we get our answer as 3.6 units. So that is how we can find length of each segment, right? So now you can find length of the other two segments, that is segment AB and CD. The steps involved are drop a perpendicular from B to X axis, right? So like this, a straight line which is parallel to Y axis. Is it okay? Like this. And then from A, draw a line parallel to X axis. They will always cross at right angles, right? So they form a right triangle. Since they form a right triangle, you can use Pythagorean property to find length AB, knowing fully well that AB square is equal to, let's name this point as P, right? AP square plus PB square. The length of AP and PB can be read from the grid, right? So that is how you do it. I hope it helps. Thank you and all the best.